This is Jack. Jack is a very friendly dog. Στην πόρτα είναι. It's calm. He is friendly with other dogs. The family of him can't have him anymore because they moved to another house. So Jack living here alone. Here it's his place. They move in an apartment. They had him from a puppy, but they can't keep him. So I hope he will find a family, because here it's alone in the house. He is not castrated, but it's not a problem. He's vaccinated and he's around 2.5 years to 3. He's very small. He's around 6 kilos. Now centimeter, I don't know. Jack. Jack. Hey, Jack. Yeah? Jack. Jack, you see? He's sad because nobody's live anymore with him. He's always like that. Not happy.